Hi, this is Miss Grimm, and we are on Fun with Phonics Part 2. Previously, we covered vowel digraphs where we had different vowels together, like OA and OW, AI, AY. Now we're on to KN and WR. So the KN digraph makes the same sound as the letter N. You can see it at any point in a word, and that can be at the beginning, the middle, or the end. But a lot of times we see it at the beginning of the word. WR makes the same sound as the letter R. You can see it at any point in a word, beginning, middle, or end. But once again, a lot of times we see that WR digraph at the beginning of a word. Grown-ups, here are some videos that you'll be able to find on our Google Classroom if you don't mind to come back and watch those videos with the kiddos. But we are going to continue. We're going to try saying some of these words. If you notice, a lot of the digraphs are at the beginning of the word. Now, that's not to say that we won't see them at the middle or the end of a word, but a lot of times we see them at the beginning. So let's look at the first word here. This word is wrong. I don't hear a W sound at the beginning. So I know that because WR is together, I'm just going to hear a R sound. That kind of hard sound, okay? So I have wrong. Here I have knee. I don't say knee. I don't hear the K sound at the beginning. I see KN and I know that it makes a N sound. So I have knee. We have the word wriggle. So I have eagle. I have the word right, right. Now when it's spelled like this, I know it's like I'm writing my letters, not I know I'm right. So then we go on to not. This isn't like you're not right, or that's not allowed. This is like I'm tying a knot in a rope, or there's a knot in my shoestring. And then we have wrap. This is the kind of wrap, like I'm wrapping my arm with a bandage, or I'm wrapping a present. Grown-ups, I'm going to have the students practice. Kids, grab a piece of paper and a pencil. I want to see if you can spell each word knowing what you know about KN and WR. And when you are on the PowerPoint presentation, you're going to come back and see if you're right, okay? Because there's a slide that checks your work for you as well. So let's review. Thinking on part 1 of our Fun with Phonics and the digraphs that we learned at the beginning of the week, or at the beginning, to now, what did we learn in this presentation? What sounds have we learned? Well, we know that A's are really bossy when they married their husbands I and Y. We know that when two vowels go walking, the first does the talking. So if I see OA together or OW together, I know that they're going to make an O sound. I know that KN, when paired together, what letter do I not hear? I don't hear the K. I only hear a N sound. And then with WR, when they're paired together, what sounds do I hear? Do I hear a W? No, I hear a R sound. I hear the R sound. So we've covered a lot this week in our first presentation and with this presentation. So what we have for your assignment this week, you can complete this on a piece of paper and send me a picture of it, or you can complete it on Google, on our Google Classroom. You're going to write 2 AI words, 2 AY words, 2 EA words, 2 OA words, 2 OW words, 2 WR words, and 2 KN words. After you write your words, I want you to pick 5 words that you wrote and write 5 sentences. So you're going to have 1 sentence for each word that you pick. Now, as good writers, we need to make sure that we do not forget to use our capital letters, our finger spaces, and the correct punctuation. Capital letters go at the beginning of a sentence or for a proper noun. So if you're including somebody's name, you need to have a capital letter. If you include a particular place, you need to have a capital letter. Spaces, we need to make sure that we're using our correct finger spaces, because if not, it's going to look like it's all one big word and it makes it hard for us to read. And then punctuation. You need to have a period if you're making a statement, an exclamation point if you are excited or you're showing excitement, or a question mark if you're asking a question. So I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. And if you have any questions, your grown-ups can reach out to me. They have my information. I love and miss you guys and hope to see you soon.